Now let's take a look at the today function. So the equal today function in Excel return the current date. Type today without any argument to get the current date, which is just equal today and then no argument to return today, which is February 13, 2025. Right? Today plus 2 will return the date 2 days from now. So with just an integer in the back of today plus that will be the day, right? The number of days. So 2 days from now, so write the function that will return 5 days from now. So it's going to be equal today, right, plus 5. Okay, the year function takes a date as an argument and return the year. Pass today to the year to the equal year function to get the current year. So how you gonna do that? Gonna go equal year, right? But then instead of doing anything in that, you can just go today inside of the year function. So it's gonna get the year of the today, which is 2025. Right? The month function take a date as an argument and return the month as a number. January just go to 1, February to 2, all the way to 12 equal to December. So pass today into the month function to create get the current month. So it's gonna be equal month, and then you want to today month, you just right. So the month for today is gonna be 2 February. Right? Use the month function to get the month 10 day from now. The month 10 day from now, right? So it's gonna be equal month, right? Make sure you put the 2 parentheses in so that you don't forget anything. And then the argument inside is what it's gonna be today, right? And then plus 10 days from now, 10, right? So use the month function to get the month 7 days ago, right? So it's gonna be equal month again, parentheses. Make sure so that you don't forget the parentheses, and then it's gonna be what? Today, right? And then 7 days ago is gonna be minus 7, because 7 days from now is gonna be plus, so 7 days ago is gonna be minus, right? And then the day function return the date of a specific date, etc. 1 to 31st. Use the day function with the today to get the day of the current date. So again, that could be equal day, so it's gonna get the current day of the month, and then it's gonna be for today. So that will return 13 for you, but that's the equation for it. Okay, thank you so much for checking out my videos, and please hit the like button and subscribe so that I can bring more videos like this to view lecture. Thank you, and see you next time.